So, how are you, Daniel?
I'm doing well.
How are you doing? You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay. How about you?
I'm okay.
Good.
So, I have a question I would like to ask you
Yeah.
about how we can improve the hospitality business in Rwanda, because it is kind of a big problem of how hospitality, of how people are approached, because it doesn't give a satisfaction after. So how do you advise businesses to improve their hospitality when it comes to their customers? It could be telecom companies, it could be hotels, any kind of business that receives daily customers, could be banks. How can they improve?
Wow. That's a very big question that is being raised by different people visiting Rwanda specifically.
Yeah.
And from the experience, I also received the same concern about the hospitality when I'm reaching to people, and these people, they are not like 100% attached to me as a customer.
Yeah.
It means a lot to me when I see people not being like oriented to services that they are providing. So the advice that I would like to provide to the hospitality service providers, this is number one. I would like to ask the service providers to train their team. So meaning that the business owner might be thinking big, thinking about the customers, thinking about the business efficiency, thinking about the business operations, thinking about the value proposition that they are going to offer. But by the end of the day, the people who are in charge to operate the business, they are not attached about the service that they are providing. So training the employees, training the people who are in sales, training the people who are like at gate, hosting people, it is more important. So how do we train? That will be also another question. Why do we need to train these people? And what will be the impact or the outcome of training our employees?
Yes.
So number one is training employees. Number two, follow-up. Otherwise, there is this thing called customer feedback. When a customer gives the feedback to you, receive it positively. When you receive this feedback positively, there is a mean that you are going to improve on what have been given to you. So following up on a customer feedback is also something that either the business owners, the managers, the HR, that they need to work on so that they can enhance their customer services to customers that are approaching them. So number three, it is also about airwise retention. The retention is more of how do I keep my customers even to come back when they have been like a year without returning to Rwanda. So we miss this context of keeping either the contact, the emails, the phone numbers. These are the things that we don't care much about, but when they are kept and we use them for follow-up or for the attracting the customers as a new service, it means that you keep your customers in the loop and everyone knows that you are still thinking about them, and it attracts more. So those are the three key services, key advice that I would like to provide to the hospitality business providers.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Until next time.